Compound interest, the wealth catalyst for exponential growth. In the realm of personal finance, few concepts possess the extraordinary potential to revolutionize your life like compound interest. Often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest is not just a financial tool, it's a catalyst for extraordinary achievements. Welcome, fellow visionaries and champions of financial freedom. I'm Chad, your guide to unlocking the incredible value of compound interest. If you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards financial prosperity, hit that subscribe button and join our community of enlightened individuals. Compound interest. More than just a concept, it's the path to a secure future, long-term wealth accumulation, and the key to financial freedom. Today we'll dive into the essence of compound interest, its mechanisms, and the mind-blowing benefits it offers to those who dare to embrace it. Picture this. Imagine your financial life as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Compound interest is the brush that paints your dreams into reality. By harnessing its power, you can create a lasting legacy of wealth and prosperity. Unlike simple interest, where only the initial amounts earn interest, compound interest lets your money work harder for you. It's the art of earning returns on both your principal amount and the accumulated interest from previous periods. This compounding effect unleashes a world of possibilities, exponentially growing your investments or savings account. The magic of compound interest lies in consistent reinvestment. Each dollar earned becomes a stepping stone towards a brighter future. As time progresses, this compounding effect gains momentum, propelling your investments to new heights. The key to unlocking the full potential of compound interest lies in adopting powerful financial habits. Regular saving, strategic investing, and reinvesting your returns fuel the fire of compounding, propelling you towards your financial goals. Patience and perseverance are virtues we must cultivate on this journey. Compound interest may seem slow in the initial stages, but as your investments mature, the growth becomes astonishing. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and the rewards are truly life-changing. Now let's talk about time, the secret ingredient that amplifies the power of compound interest. The longer your investment horizon, the greater the potential for exponential growth. That's why it's crucial for younger individuals to grasp this concept early on and let time become their greatest ally. Compound interest empowers you to navigate the seas of financial uncertainty with confidence. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Compound interest keeps your financial ship sailing smoothly, even when you're enjoying a well-deserved vacation or pursuing other passions. But compound interest is not just about personal gain. It's about leaving a lasting legacy. By harnessing its power, you can create generational wealth, bestowing a brighter future upon your loved ones. Imagine the world-changing accomplishments they can achieve with an incredible head start. The potential of compound interest extends beyond financial boundaries. It's a catalyst for positive social change. As your wealth accumulates, you can make a profound impact in your communities and the world at large. From supporting charitable causes to funding scholarships, you have the power to shape a better tomorrow. Compound interest doesn't limit itself to traditional investments. It's a force that empowers entrepreneurs and dreamers alike. By reinvesting profits back into your business or investing in your own skills, you can experience exponential growth and financial success. But wait, there's more. Compound interest, when combined with the performance of innovative investment vehicles, can unleash even greater potential. Imagine the power of compound interest intertwined with the growth of the tech sector, renewable energy, or disruptive industries. The possibilities are endless. Compound interest is not only a financial phenomenon, it's a catalyst for peace of mind and true independence. Watching your investments grow over time instills confidence and a sense of security. Knowing your money is working tirelessly, even when you're not, provides a sense of liberation and an opportunity to live life on your own terms. Knowledge is power, my friends. Stay informed and constantly seek ways to optimize your investments. Compound interest is a tool, and when wielded wisely, it can unlock a world of opportunities. The power of compound interest transcends time, space, and financial limitations. It's a catalyst for personal growth, societal change, and the realization of your wildest dreams. By embracing its potential, you can forge a path towards financial prosperity while making a positive impact on the world. And if you haven't already, I urge you to join our growing community by subscribing to our channel. Together, we'll embark on this journey of financial empowerment supporting one another every step of the way. Thank you for being part of this incredible adventure. Until next time, my friends, may your dreams be limitless and your financial potential boundless.